3, 2, 1.
What year was known as the Age of the Empire? The answer is B, 1870. What kind of mouth parts do aphids have? The answer is B, piercing sucking mouth parts. Why does it baffle me how everyone seems to like her? The answer is D, because I do and think she is likable. In what year were the helicopters brought into service? The answer is C, 2010. What animal was the #1 predator of the moa? The answer is A, an extinct species of eagle. Sometimes sushi is served rolled in nori. What is nori? The answer is D, seaweed. How do you control something? How would you do this? The answer is A, make it do what you want. What was the name of Tony Manero's brother, portrayed by actor Martin Shakar in the movie Saturday Night Fever? The answer is B, Frank. In what year did the St. John CMA have 100,646 inhabitants? The answer is B, 2006. How do you optimize something? How would you do this? The answer is A, leave it alone. What year did a protester attach a note to the door at Buckingham Palace saying it was to be sold? The answer is A, 1864. The man gets a needle and applies it to the lady's lip. The man puts back the needle and adds a piercing ring on the lady's lip. The man, what happens next? The answer is A, moves the metal of the lady's lip. What legendary actress played Holly Golightly in the 1961 movie Breakfast at Tiffany's? The answer is C, Audrey Hepburn. Sugar is made up of many molecules. When sugar is dissolved in water, what happens to these molecules? The answer is B, they exist in solution. Which word is defined as a rumbling or gurgling noise in the intestines? The answer is B, borborygmus. How can I clean copper pots and pans? How would you do this? The answer is A, use ketchup. North Salem Town Hall is a historic town hall located in a county established in what year? The answer is D, 1683. If too many humans move into an given area, they may take more resources than possible to sustain themselves, which is what concept? The answer is B, reproduction going over. During which year did British sovereignty of Hong Kong end? The answer is B, 1997. What year did the FBI laboratory officially close? The answer is B, 1932. This actor's birth name was Etienne Pélissier Jacques de Bujac. Can you guess his stage name? The answer is B, Bruce Cabot. What has been the narrator's impression of Disneyland? The answer is C, the narrator has been pleased with Disneyland. In the 20th century, how many Olympic Games were held in Los Angeles? The answer is B, 2. Heavy Gear Roman 2 is a sequel to a game that was released in what year? The answer is D, 1999. Why would someone be whaling? The answer is D, it may be related to the large gathering. When did Sarah Palin start her public service career? The answer is B, 1992. In what year was the College Park Airport established? The answer is B, 1909. What two factors determine the location of an electron around the nucleus of the atom? The answer is D, energy and the attraction of the nucleus. What term is used to describe a process in which material travels from regions of high concentration to low concentration until equilibrium is reached? The answer is C, diffusion. In what California city is Knott's Berry Farm located? The answer is A, Buena Park. Having 350,000 presbyteries, the Conservative Presbyterian Church was founded in which year? The answer is B, 1940. What was the name of the 2001 sequel to the 1991 thriller The Silence of the Lambs, both starring Anthony Hopkins? The answer is B, Hannibal. What is the name of the chieftain who in 1816, after the death of his father, seized power over the insignificant Zulu clan and transformed it into a nation? The answer is A, Shaka. How may the dog be feeling right now? The answer is C, sick. Why is the narrator so mopey lately? The answer is D, the narrator underwent a split. Which organisms capture light energy and convert it to chemical energy inside their cell? The answer is C, phototrophs. What is the volume of the molecules of an ideal gas? The answer is C, 0. In meters, what is the highest point in the Plymouth Unitary Authority? The answer is D, 155. When was the Toronto Police destroyed? The answer is A, 1834. Who is the sun god of the Savage Land, featured in the X-Men series? The answer is C, Garruk. Which actress has had at least 4 songs written about her? The answer is C, Claire Danes. Stovetop, how would you do this? The answer is A, is tasty stuffing mix. When was the operator of the Outer Bridge Crossing established? The answer is B, 1921. What is the mortality rate of a cheetah cub growing to adulthood? The answer is A, 95% die. Bathroom cabinet, how would you do this? The answer is A, to store frozen food. When did Britain pass Pitt's India Act? The answer is A, 1784. What are mammals that lay eggs called? The answer is C, monotremes. What is the reason my shirt was sick? The answer is B, it looked great. It is tossed in salt for a few minutes. Carrots are grated over the kale. A tomato is diced and mixed with dressing. This what happens next. The answer is B, is then poured over the kale. To cut wood boards to custom dimensions, how would you do this?